Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error that says that the input is not supported with the display monitor on your Windows 11 computer. So you may be coming across this issue on Windows 10 and other computers as well. So again, if the input method is not supported, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing, if you have another more up-to-date monitor, you may want to consider using that instead. Or you might need an adapter for your monitor. So keep those two things in mind. So that's one thing you might want to consider here. Something else we could try here too would be to switch to a low resolution monitor appearance. So in order to do that, we're going to go select the Windows Start button and then select the power button. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. So again, hold down the Shift key and then select Restart. And then you can release pressure from the Shift key. So now you want to select where it says choose an option, select troubleshoot, and then select advanced options. Select startup settings, and then select restart. Select the function key that corresponds to enabling low resolution video, which in our case is F3. So I'm going to tap the F3 key on my keyboard. And then see if that has resolved the problem. You can also try opening up the search and search for resolution. Best match is say change the resolution of the display. Go ahead and left click on that. You may also want to consider adjusting the display resolution as well as the scaling. So a couple different things to take a look at, but pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.